admittedly planning 2-3 months before by a gang. CBI officer specifically used very cautiously the word that so far we have not gone beyond Patna and Hazaribagh. CBI is not so novice that they will accept the statement of the accused arrested so far and close the investigation from the angle that whether it has gone beyond Patna and Hazaribagh. It is an evolving situation. The day we came first time before this honorable court for the writ petition, because mine was the first writ petition, we didn't know anything. Besides the fact that there were news items that there is a leak in Patna. Now, the main accused has not been arrested. Now, I would say the confidence with the learned Solicitor General to say that it is confined only and only to Hazaribagh and Patna is completely baseless. Investigation is going on. Can they file an affidavit that henceforth there would be no investigation to see whether it has gone beyond? If today the judgment come tomorrow, this Sanjeev Mukhia is arrested along with the mobile, which would show that he had sent it for 200 people in Sikar or different stations. I got to know that from Patna people have gone to Muxar, Punjab to give a paper. And if here they say 4 locations they have been able to find. Suppose there are 100 more locations involving only, say, 1,000 people involved into 20 centers. How many people would those figures, if all of them have got, all of them will not be topping, all of them will not get 720.
So would I just assist us on one aspect? If the court cancelled the examination today on the hypothesis that investigation is not complete, the main conspirator is yet to be arrested.
That's right.
And there may be a possibility, we can't say likelihood, but a possibility that in some future point of time, maybe even a foreseeable future, the leak may not be only confined to these 2 cases.
That's right.
But should the court, in a situation like this where 23 lakh students have appeared, and we are dealing with the welfare of students across the country, and that's the worrisome part. We look at it this way, both ways. Let's put it 1 second. Let's put it both ways. We can't today. You are right, absolutely, that we can't say that the leak. We can't enter a judicial finding that the leak is confined only to Hazaribagh and Patna.
Correct.
For the reason that the investigation is ongoing.
That's right.
Even CBI can't tell us that. Today, as of now, it is confined to Hazaribagh and Patna. CBI's investigation in the next 15 days or 10 days might reveal a different, an evolving picture.
10 more locations.
So, we also, on the one hand, can't say that the leak is confined only to Hazaribagh and Patna. Equally, we can't today say with any degree of even prima facie authenticity or substance that the leak has gone beyond Hazaribagh and Patna in such a widespread or a systemic manner as to completely affect the sanctity of the entirety of the exam. That also we cannot say. Therefore, I asked that's why we want your assistance. Can the court, or would the court be justified in a situation like the one present to say that not on the basis of material which we have today, but on the hypothesis that some material in the future may show that the leak had gone beyond Hazaribagh and Patna. Therefore, today we cancel the exam on the basis of hypothesis.
May I answer, my lord?
May not happen in future.
May I answer?
No.
When I speak,
Matthew,
when I wanted to speak, your lordship prevents me.
You please sit down.
No, I'm among the lawyers here, I am the senior most.
Sorry, you're not an amicus. I have not appointed.
No, I am appearing for 16 students.
Right.
When I wanted to speak, the Honorable Chief Justice prevent me from speaking.
Mr. Matthews,
And I have an answer.
He is arguing. You will not interrupt him when he's arguing.
I am not interrupting, but I have an answer to say. I have an answer to give.
You don't answer my question. He is answering the question.
Okay, then, but it's a general question. It's a general question.
He's on his
No, I'm not interested in the engagement with the Honorable Chief Justice, but I wanted to say.
You please sit down. I'll have to have you removed from the court. You please sit down. I'm warning you. I'll have to have you removed from the court.
No, your lordship doesn't respect me. My own will leave.
Mr. Mathews, I'm telling you one very simple thing. Mr. Huda is engaged in a.
Your Lordship, I have tried every best
You have
not to allow me to
you have
speak and
no
put
right-
forward my
you have no
convention.
right to intervene.
I'm not intervening, I'm leaving.
Yes.
But one
Yes,
thing is said,
Huda.
I wanted to say, I wasn't
Yes,
allowed to speak.
Yes, Mr.
When I was speaking, your Lordship was showing the other side.
Yes,
And I have only one word to say, only
Yes,
one word
Mr.
leaving,
Mr.
one word to
Mathews,
say.
please call the security people, have him removed from the court, please.
I have only one to say.
You will not
can
say
be
anything.
established.
You will not speak to the gallery. You will listen to me. I'm in charge of my courtroom.
Listening.
You just keep quiet now. Yes, Mr. Huda. Yes, Mr. Huda. Yes, Mr. Huda.
I'm leaving.
Yes, Mr. Huda.
Unfair.
Yes, Mr. Huda.
Please.
This is not a judicial.
Mr. Mathews, I will now be constrained to issue something which is very unpleasant. Please keep quiet. Sit down here. You want to leave? It's your choice.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
You don't have
He
to.
said-
You do not have to intervene. You don't have to tell me that you are leaving. Yes.
No, because I sought permission
Anybody
to,
is-
I sought permission to speak.
Mathews, you will not interrupt Mr. Huda. I will hear you, but I'll hear you after Mr. Huda is done. I am in charge of procedure in this court. And I've seen this court, I've seen the judiciary for the last 24 years. I will not allow any lawyer to dictate the procedure of the court.
I've seen
I
the,
will give you a full hearing, but after Mr.
all
Huda
right,
is
all right,
done.
all right.
Yes.
I have
Now
been,
please
I have,
keep quiet. Yes,
I have been
Mr. Huda.
seeing judiciary since 1979.
Yes,
Since 79.
may I, my lord,
This is contemptuous.
What we are talking.
my response is, my lord, straight away.
I'm leaving.
Issue is no longer res integra.
Yes.
This has been answered in para